Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Nubia Z60S Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy and now you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click on Use Pattern and here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now let's open, for example, Google Play Store or another app that requires you to sign in, and then click Sign in. Now click Use Pattern and here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click Next. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And click Accept. And as you can see, my account has been recovered and my parental controls is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.